I'm Alex Thoms, a pitcher at Salisbury University.
My name is Nick Spadafino. I'm a pitcher slash first baseman from the University of Delaware.
How's it going? I'm Joe Dahut. I'm a pitcher, and I go to Drew University in Madison, New Jersey.
I'm Nick Dunn, play second base, and I'm going to Maryland University.
My name is Bumester. I'm a catcher from Catholic University.
Just playing catch with my dad.
First baseball memory would have to be playing wiffle ball with my dad in the backyard.
First baseball memory would be playing catch with my dad in the backyard.
Hitting in the backyard with my dad.
First baseball memory, hitting for the cycle in second grade.
My favorite baseball memory is probably playing in Cooperstown when I was 12.
Favorite baseball memory would be making the CAA tournament this year for University of Delaware and making a nice 3-game run and finishing third in the conference tournament.
Winning district championship in Little League.
Winning the conference this year.
Bull Durham.
Favorite baseball movie would have to be The Natural.
Favorite baseball movie is The Rookie.
The Rookie.
Field of Dreams.
Is This a Great Game or What by Tim Critchen.
Favorite baseball book would have to be The Heat.
Moneyball.
Heat.
First baseball book. Moneyball.
The Washington Nationals.
Favorite baseball team is the Philadelphia Phillies.
Nationals.
Orioles.
Orioles.
Ben Revere.
Tyler Clippard.
Manny Machado.
Adam Jones.
Favorite T-Bolt is definitely NSU.
Favorite TBolt? I'd say Coach Johnson.
Favorite TBolts and Sue for sure.
I don't know, I like everybody. I don't really have a favorite. We got a pretty good group of guys.
T-Bolt, me, of course.